In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of adding an itslearning page as an artifact to an itslearning discussion board. So here in my planner, I have the page that I built. So I'm going to select my page, which takes me to my page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to my ellipsis, and I am going to select print. When I select print, one of my options when I select my printer destination is to change it and save it as a PDF. When I select Save as a PDF and then select Save, I am prompted to decide where I would like to save this PDF. So for our purposes in this tutorial, I'm going to use my desktop, but I'm going to give my file name a better name. So I'm going to select Lesson 6. And then I'm going to select Save. And so now my PDF has been saved to my desktop. So I'm going to come over to my professional development course, specifically my discussion board, and I want to post in this discussion board. So I'm going to post my reflection, making sure that I answer any questions that are required of me, and then I'm going to type in a description of my page based on any prompts that my facilitator has given me. And now what I would like to do is I'm going to use my little world here, and I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to browse, and remember that PDF is living on my desktop, or you can navigate to wherever you've saved it. So there's my Lesson 6 page. And now I'm going to save that PDF. Once I'm thrown into this Files menu, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Yours might be closer to the top. And I'm going to select Insert. And now here that page is, and I'm going to post my reply. And so now when anybody wants to see my page, when they select the link, it actually takes them to a nice, clean PDF view of my page.